Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with a collab hosted by Poetspice. And the name of this collab is Elizabeth Diamond Press Anna Griffin Spellbinders. And in this collab, we are to use one of these participants, designers, to make something. So this month I used Anna Griffin. And let me show you. I used her Christmas box. And I got everything that I needed right out of this box. Okay. Might not look like I used it, but I used it. All right. And I'm going to show you what I made. How beautiful. And then that's the inside. There we go. And I'm not going to open up the inside because it's hard to take out of my card, out of the envelopes. And that's the last one that I made. So, one more quick look. For those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. For those who haven't, I'd appreciate it if you do. And until next time, you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.